Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from hi-lai Foods of Taiwan. I don't know if it's hi-lai or hi-lai. It's a big box. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, first off, there's some cloth thing. Oh, I know what this is. This is something new for my apron collection. Let's give it a try. Hey, this works. Cool, thank you. Then we've got a card that says Grand Launching 5-Star Gourmet Foods Lai Noodle. And then here's a little bit of information about the product. Wow, a big box, it looks like, of noodles. I guess we should crack them open and see how these look. This looks fancy. I haven't seen these before. There's a whole bunch of them here too. Very cool. Thank you very much. I'm really curious about what these are going to be like. I think they're spicy. And then there's a box. Let's see what's in the box. And in the box, oh wow. It's a rubber stamp. And an ink pad. Okay. Wow, that's really cool. Well, let's give it a try. And this is a pretty neat little stamp pad. Anyways, alright. So I will go like this. Maybe I should do it on something that's a little flatter. There we go. Wow, cool. Thank you very much. That's really unique. I really like that. And then what's in here? This is a big wide box. Oh, it's a utensil set. Fork and spoon and chopsticks. Very nice, thank you. And then instead of the fancy gift box, we have an alternate packaging method, it looks. This looks to be, I think it's a 4-pack of their noodles. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Lai Noodle for shooting these over. I wish I knew if it was Lai or Lay, but I think it's probably Lai. I don't know. But they sound really good. Looks like they're spicy. They got a special sauce, and they're kind of fancy. So I am definitely looking forward to giving these a try. I might even try them today. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.